Fix DNS server not responding problem. First open run and type the following command. Right-click your network connection and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. You can also click on Diagnose this connection. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.